Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install STALCRAFT X Starter Edition game on your PC. So here follow the steps. So first of all, open the Epic Games launcher and then go to the Store tab. Then scroll down and here you will see free games. So under the free games, you will see STALCRAFT X Starter Edition game. So click on this, scroll down, and on the right you will see it is completely free and you will see the get button, and the free sales ends on 26 February 2026. So click on this get button, just wait, and then click on place order. Just wait, it is processing your order, and then you will see view in library option. So click on view in library, and here you will see STALCRAFT X game has been added to my library. So click on install button and then again click on install, click yes to allow, and then you can see the game is getting installed on my PC. You can click on this arrow icon, that is a download arrow icon. Here you can see STALCRAFT X is getting downloaded on my PC. So by following these steps, you can easily download and install STALCRAFT X game on your PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.